Welcome to the eTechSpy channel. In this video, we will talk about how to change my logo, your store on the YouCan platform. First, we'll go to Setting. Then we go to General. We will find the logo fields here, and the mini logo fields that appear on this side, on the store's website. First, let's see how the logo appears before the change. This is the default logo on the YouCan platform. Let's change. First, we delete this logo. Then click again and select Logo. I will put my own logo in my channel. We have changed the logo. We put Save. After saving, back to the site. We reload. As you can see, the logo has been changed very simply. We thank you for watching and meet in another video.